Hi, it's Todd Rutledge with Legendary Homes. And a common question I get is, can we customize our homes? And we can customize, we can do total homes, complete new floor plans, that is available. We can modify floor plans. So it depends on really what you're wanting to do on what the cost is going to be. And I just had a customer here that was asking that, and I'll give you some examples. And like if it's moving a wall in the bedroom, say you want to move that wall 2 foot to make a bigger bedroom, that's going to trigger the engineering fee. So because that can change, there's some different codes as far as like light, vent for the bedrooms, certain square inch window space that needs to be in there, so that can affect that. So that's got to be run through engineering. So that's going to run a little bit more than like for instance in our Murdo model, there's this wall that's in the living room, between the living room and foyer. Like moving that wall or removing that, there's no cost for that. So you know, it just depends on what the change is. It's easier if you like show me the floor plan and say what you want to do, then I can answer that a little bit better, or at least check with the companies and see what they're gonna charge. So that's just something, you know, we can do customizing, but that can change the cost depending on what you want to do. So hope that's helpful, and let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.